Hello everyone and welcome to my tutorial about how to assemble the Protech license plate holder. First you need to put together the two bigger pieces of the set. Then put the two black bolts into the holes to attach them to each other and loosely tighten the nut. Then hold the license plate holder next to your bike and figure out the perfect angle that you want. Then drill a hole into the holder with the provided drill bit. After drilling you can put in the little screw and tighten everything down. Make sure you tighten it as good as you can. This will prevent potential problems at higher speeds. After that you can tighten the two bigger bolts. Now you got the basic holder finished, it is time to attach the turn signal brackets. You get the choice how far apart you want them to be. I chose the middle option. I would recommend to pick the outer option, so you have a couple more holes to attach the license plate to. Make sure you tighten this as much as you can. You don't want to lose a blinker, of course. So now we can attach the blinkers to the holder. First we will attach the plate lighting bracket. This one gets attached with two bolts. See the manual which one these are exactly. Now that's done, let's attach the LED light to it. The LED lighting consists of three white LEDs. They are positioned angled from each other. I twisted the two wires together so it's easier to work with them. Now put in the two tiny black screws. They can be a bit difficult to tighten, so keep calm and keep trying. To indicate how difficult they are, this shot's played 4 times as fast. The LED plate lighting is finished now. Let's add the reflector holder. This is for legal purposes here in the Netherlands. Now stick the reflector to the holder. Caution, the sticky surface is really sticky, so make sure you position it right in one try. It's looking good already. Next up, attaching the turn signals. These turn signals were already on my bike when I bought it, but you can get them cheap on eBay or AliExpress. My blinkers were already provided with useful connectors. You can reuse the grey ones from your original blinkers and attach them to your new ones. And that's it, all done. Click on the thumbnail to see how to mount it to your own bike. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.